Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome to another episode with Just Investing. Today, guys, I want to take a closer look at a strategy that I think can be valuable when investing, especially when you don't have a lot of high level knowledge on how to navigate the stock market. Um, the main strategy being invest in things that you use. So, for example, if you watch Netflix every night before you go to bed, or if you do your shopping on Amazon, or if your primary search engine is Google, then maybe you should be buying shares of the aforementioned stocks. To further kind of make my case, let's go ahead and do some research on what your annualized returns would have been had you invested in these stocks every time you maybe paid the subscription, right? So let's look at Netflix, for example. Um, how much is a Netflix membership? Okay, so let's go with this $24.99 per month, right? If we were to look at Google price stock, so let's go take a look at Google. Or I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. Netflix. All right, so Netflix right now is $12.44 per share. Max time chart is insane, right? Now imagine for a moment if when you first got a membership to Netflix, let's say back in 2020, so January 1, 2020. January 2020 to now, you would have had a 281% gain. But let's look a little closer here. Let's have Gemini break it down for us. If I invested, let's go with the $24.99 monthly into Netflix every single month from January 2020 to present day, how much money would I have? Gemini might have dropped the ball on this first analysis. Yeah, okay, so the total amount you would have put in was $17.24. In the last 5 years, you would have put a total of $1,724 into Netflix. What would that be worth today? Almost 3x, $4,250. That's pretty impressive. And that's just basically applying the principle of if I use it, if I spend money on this product and I find value in it, then spend an equal portion of money that you're spending to use it into taking ownership of it. And long term, this will pay way bigger dividends for you. So, yeah, I mean, I really don't want to get too much into the weeds with it all, but basically, what I'm saying is if you have products that you use in your home life, Netflix, Amazon, Google, even, Cash App or PayPal, right? Or, if you send money back and forth between friends on a regular basis, you might want to consider looking into the parent company that you're using to do that. I use Venmo, parent company is PayPal. I'm considering taking a stake in PayPal stock. I think this can be a really practical way of quote unquote value investing, even though it's not exactly the definition there. Yeah, I don't think I want to jump into a whole lot more beyond that, but ideally with this channel, I just kind of want to occasionally throw out digestible bits of information that can prove to be valuable, hopefully, for whoever's watching on your investment journey. So, yeah, until next time, take care.